Setsusha AI Samurai de Gozalu. Tried asking ChatGPT a question. Please explain in detail what ChatGPT can do and what are some examples of how ChatGPT can be used. ChatGPT is a large-scale language model that utilizes natural language processing and AI technology to converse with humans. There are many use cases for ChatGPT, but this time, let's mention a few representative examples. 1. Conversational assistant. ChatGPT can answer users' questions and provide advice, supporting daily life and work tasks. 2. Content generation. It can help generate various types of text content, such as articles, blog posts, social media updates, and emails. 3. Education. ChatGPT can support learning by answering questions, providing overviews or explanations of topics, and offering information to help understand complex concepts. 4. Translation. It can assist with language translations, facilitating communication between users who speak different languages. 5. Game and story creation. ChatGPT can be useful for generating game scenarios or story ideas and can also serve as a character handling conversations in interactive games or narratives. 6. Software development. It can answer programming-related questions, provide code examples, and offer debugging assistance. 7. Business analysis. ChatGPT can answer questions about data and statistics, as well as provide information to support market analysis and strategic planning. 8. Creative writing. It can assist in creating creative documents such as novels, poems, and scripts. These are just some of the use cases for ChatGPT. In reality, it is being utilized across various industries and applications in numerous ways. However, it's important to use ChatGPT with caution as the accuracy and appropriateness of the responses can vary depending on the model's training data and the content of the questions.